It's no doubt that NFTs are tough to navigate. You have people claiming they're making millions of dollars while at the same time you keep losing thousands of dollars on bad NFT projects. The reason I know that's true is because I've done it myself. That's how everyone starts in this space. There are tons of videos across YouTube on how to find good NFTs or how to find NFTs that'll make you money, and some of the stuff that they say in those videos do work, but not many people tell you what to avoid when you're looking at NFTs, except for me. Today's your lucky day. Congratulations. I'm gonna go over 4 red flags that you need to stay away from in the NFT space. For some of you, these things might seem very simple and obvious, but for others getting into the NFT space, these are the things that got me in the beginning too, so don't feel like you're alone. If you guys are into NFTs at all or follow NFTs at all, I'm sure you know what Discord is. I'm sure a lot of you guys have used Discord to follow projects you like or projects that you think are going to be up and coming. Discord's used by a lot of people to get into whitelists, to follow updates, to just talk with the community and stuff like that. Now, I can tell you I've worked for NFT projects before, and one of the cheapest and easiest ways to push your NFT project onto people who don't know what to look for is to send them these mass blast DMs on Discord. All right here, I have an example from you. This is just a DM that I got to my account because I was in some sort of server. What people will do will take these server lists from these Discords of successful projects, and they'll take everyone in there and put them into an algorithm and just shoot them out DMs. This DM right here probably went out to thousands of people. And as you can see by the number of people in the Discord server, it probably worked to a degree. You gotta be careful though, little bonus tip. A lot of people just buy Discord followers. It's very easy to do. So this shows 42,000 people in their Discord. Is that the case? Maybe, but also maybe not. All right, the message starts off, trust me. You wanna actually read this if you're looking to make money, okay? What a way to bring you in. Everybody in this space is a great marketer, you'll come to find. The NFT project that is taking off, they just sold out their pre-sale instantly without spending $1 for any ads. It goes on to basically tell you everything there is to know about the project and how it's taking off, and it's partnered with the most famous internet marketers in the world. Okay. All right, here we are on OpenSea with this project here. Now, I picked an example of a project in these DMs that actually did okay, and somebody would go to this and be very quick to buy this project. They have a good amount of Ethereum traded in total. Their floor price isn't that bad. It's fairly affordable. You see there's a lot of owners in it. So all in all, it looks to be a pretty good project. And that might be true if you were looking to flip the project in the first couple days that it existed to maybe make some money. The project launched at 1 ETH, was brought down to 0.09, went up to 0.58 for about a day or two, which wasn't bad. And then it died off, trailed off, and it will never be back. Back here in Discord, you'll read that the mint price was 0.09 ETH. And at this point in time, people are trying to sell off what they can of the project around the 0.04, 0.05 range. Red flag number 1, nothing good really ever comes from Discord messages. All right, the second one is pretty simple. Stay out of anything that happens in Gary V's Twitter replies. As you probably know, Gary V is the face of NFTs at this point. He's probably the reason a lot of you have gotten into NFT. Groups from projects or bots bought by projects will go into Gary V's tweets and they'll spam his tweets just trying to show everybody their NFT. As you can see here, here's one. This one is saving the planet. And there it is again. And there it is again. And there it is again. And here it is again. And here it is again. And here it is again and again. Also, in the meantime, stay away from fake Gary V accounts. This isn't the real Gary V. He is not real. And here it is again. And here it is again. I'm not saying that all of these projects are going to fail. That's not totally true. Some of these projects probably will do okay. They'll find new ways to grow and adapt beyond Gary V's tweet comments. What I'm trying to say is, if a project is going to have longevity, at this point in time, it's probably being built by a very reputable team. These little projects coming out of the woodwork, some of them are going to do okay, but most of them aren't. So, if they're at the level of going into Gary V's tweets and just spam replying to his tweets with their NFTs, chances are it's just not going to survive, unfortunately. Just like the last project, some of these might be flippable for 24 hours, but for the most part, you're going to end up trying to sell back whatever you can to make up any lost money. In an upcoming video, I'm going to show you guys some reputable teams behind NFT projects that have been successful and teams that are creating projects that are going to be successful. At this point in time, the best of the best. Connections have been developed throughout all of these influencer communities. So the top projects are working with the top influencers, and those are the projects that are eventually going to just be the best. All love to the small projects. I wish the best for all of you. But I just don't think Gary V's comments are the best place for investors to find their projects. Red flag number 3, stay away from projects that look like other projects. The reason that things like CryptoPunks and Bored Apes blew up like they did is because they were very unique at the time. These projects came out years ago, and there just wasn't anything like them at the time. CryptoPunks are very easily creatable. They're just 8-bit characters that look exactly like this one. Most people coming into NFTs came here because they saw the numbers of CryptoPunks. They're like, oh my goodness, CryptoPunks are selling for millions of dollars? That's wild. It would be very easy for me, like I have in the past, or for people like that to hop on Twitter and see this 8-bit character here that looks exactly like a CryptoPunk and just buy it. I would come in here, look at this collection and say, these look just like CryptoPunks. If the first CryptoPunks blew up, why can't these ones? The reason is because things are original. It's the same reason that we look at companies like Coke and Pepsi and wonder why there aren't a billion soda companies in the entire world. This collection looks great. It looks identical to CryptoPunks. It's very easy to fall into this and say, these are the next CryptoPunks. The prices are great too. You're looking at $100 to $200 investment for these things that basically are CryptoPunks, except they're not. This goes without saying as well, the OpenSea statistics are very telling every time. It's good to be early to an NFT project, but you surely don't want to be first. This is a fairly extreme example, but you understand what I'm trying to say. Another example of this, wrapped CryptoPunks, is made by Larva Labs, the people who made CryptoPunks. It is verified. This is really important to look at on OpenSea. Obviously, these wrapped CryptoPunks have a floor price of about 100 ETH. This is a very legitimate collection. However, wrapped CryptoPunk is not. 18 people have fallen victim to this collection. 0.06 ETH have also fallen victim to this collection. And it's basically exactly what you just saw in the other wrapped CryptoPunks, except copy and pasted. They look identical. If I go back and forth between these pages, you can see that they're nearly the same thing. They've copied the art down to a T. The big difference here, gotta look out for that verification tag. In this last one, I'm going to let you imagine it because I'm sure you've gotten about 1 billion of them. If you follow any NFT accounts on Instagram, if you follow Gary Vee on Instagram, any NFT influencers on Instagram, I'm sure you've gotten DMs about NFT projects. So let's see how much you learned from this video. In the beginning, I told you about Discord DMs and how you should probably stay away from those. This is the review section. If you get an Instagram DM about a project, what should you do? You stay away from the project. NFTs are an extremely risky investment. They can make you a lot of money. They can lose you even more money. You have to just look out for these things and be careful. There's a million red flags out there. These are some of the biggest ones that got me personally in the beginning, and I know get a lot of people that I talk to about NFTs as well. That's all I got for you though. If you want to stay up to date on all of your NFT and crypto news, go ahead and follow us over on Instagram. Links in the description at only.cryptos, or you could follow us on Twitter. Link is also in the description, or you can follow us on TikTok. I also make TikToks with all types of news in the crypto world. So feel free to follow all those things and stay safe out there.